How to fix Snapchat internet connection problem on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So first you would just go and open settings of your phone, sorry. And when you open settings on your phone, go to apps or applications, then search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat, just open it like this and go to storage. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click force tab and click OK, and then you have to restart your phone, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.